All right, this is our first quick beats. This is Butterfly Doors. So let's get into it. I like to sing it along, it helps. Okay, close the loop and quantize this. This is 16th note subdivision. Now for the bass and drum part, I'm going to do it all at the same time. My hi-hat's here. On beat 2 of every measure, the hi-hat is being rolled. So I'm going from 8th note subdivision, and then I'm going into 32nd note subdivision. And then on beat 3 of every measure, I'm playing a clap, and that's creating a halftime feel. And then I have the bass part, dum, bum, bum. And then on the end of the phrase, it's going up the octave on beat 4 and the and of 4. So I'm just going to play it through, and let's see what happens. All right, that's it. Quick beats. See you in the shed.